What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you the GoPro Hand and Wrist Strap accessory from GoPro. This will be just a quick unboxing video of this here hand and wrist strap. Just for starters, you can see here, it's a strap your GoPro to your hand or wrist, 360-degree rotation. Makes it fast and easy to adjust your capture angle. Plus, your GoPro can conveniently fold out of the way, flat against the mount. And you can see the images here. Includes rotating mount, hand strap, wrist strap, thumb screw. And this 1 and 2. And here is your compatible with Hero cameras. And that's about that. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have. And we have the first piece there. It kind of just pops out. We have ourselves a hand and wrist strap user guide. And nothing else in the box. And we have ourselves with the first wrist strap and the second, and our thumb screw. Got a nice little origami type of box layout here. This piece will go right on in there, and you'll be able to carry that seamlessly. And here's your hand strap here. It's pretty durable. I like this foamy position. It's a little flexible here, and this piece is, yeah, pretty durable. Feels like it would be a bit nice and snug there. Take a look at this user guide. So here it shows you exactly how to place this piece here on, if you're looking to do it through your hand. And attaching to your wrist with the wrist strap here. Pro tip for best results, keep the straps clean. After adjusting the mount, be sure the lens is free of fingerprints and smudges. And then in a different language here. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this piece. And from the GoPro area. That piece would fit just like that. Just like this, and there we go. All right, guys, this was your hand and wrist strap by GoPro. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them below in the comments. And if you like the footage, go ahead and leave that a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.